Yo, what's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with the indelible one.
DBL Nick's in the house.
AKA
The Rainmaker.
Yeah, baby. And of course, the secret weapon is also being unleashed and unhurled. The one and only DBL Bombs.
Hey.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. And if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, would you kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and do what this young man says, please?
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And remember to share.
Come on now, let's get that sharing going. Let's get that sharing going. Let's get it going. Yeah, let's just share. Right, Doubles?
Yeah.
Let's go. If you're not following us on Twitch, it's at Coach Dick Money.
At Coach Dick Money.
If you're not following us on Twitter, x.com, it's at Coach Dick Money.
At Coach Dick Money.
At Coach Dick Money. And if you're not following us on Facebook, it's at Coach Dick Money.
At Coach Dick Money.
If you're not following us on Instagram, it's at Coach Dick Money.
At Coach Dick Money.
If you're not following us on TikTok, it's at DBL Nicks.
At DBL Nicks.
At DBL INCKS.
INCKS?
What did I say?
NICKS is supposed to be.
Yeah, at DBL NICKS. That's what I said.
No, you said INCKS.
You're being difficult, son. The screen
DBL
name is
Inks.
Coach Nick Money. The screen name is Coach Nick Money.
DBL
All right.
Inks.
We're gonna be streaming on the social media here,
Yeah.
and then after that, we're gonna be streaming on our Discord, so you can come and check us out. There's a special going on right now for 4 days, $1.99. And then it's $49.99 thereafter. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. I would suggest you take advantage of it, because that's going to go bye-bye pretty soon, that special. Yeah, that's going to be going bye-bye. And, of course, you'll have access to all the picks that we have. And, of course, we called a lot of bangers a lot of times. And we called BFI very early in the morning, and it ran up 105%. SMSI called yesterday for the Discord, and it ran up this morning 109%. ALR 44%, HCWC 81%, WHLR 58%, and GLMD 86%. And you can actually see that ticker right now. Let's go ahead and clean this chart up a little bit. Let's go ahead and clean it up just a hair, right over hair. Let's get rid of some of these indicators, make it a little bit more visible for all y'all. All right, let's go. Let's go check out what's going on. So GLMD, let's go take a look at GLMD. Let's go check it out. It has a float of 421 million. Nope, I'm wrong. 421,000 shares. So we like that. It's a low floater, and it currently has a volume of 4 million. And there was some insider buying on the 16th, which was yesterday. So that was all the news that we really got on it. And right now, GLMD is below VWAP, not particularly schmexy. It is currently up 46%, but it was up a whole lot more than that earlier in the morning, 86%. So it's kind of selling off. We're looking at it on the 1 minute doubles.
1 minute.
And it doesn't really look too healthy. And if we put it on the 5 minute,
5.
it's kind of like trying to break this downtrend, but not really. So, like that, yo. Like that, yo. Like that. The leading gainer at this moment is BurgerFi. BurgerFi. And it is a cheapy-weepy little stock. It's currently selling for about 22 cents. And, I mean, you know, it's like that, you know. Float on BFI is 13 million. Volume 37 million. They received international approval of first day motion to support business operations, whatever that means. I'm not really sure. We got some levels already drawn for it. I mean, I could take a graffiti pencil out and say maybe it's trying to form a pennant. But I don't feel terribly comfortable with this right here. It's one of those little inexpensive stocks. And we could take a look on the 1 minute and see what it looks like on the 1 minute.
1 minute?
Yeah, let's check it out. You know, we'll look at it on the 1 minute. Maybe. It has to hold this level, doubles. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I want to just point out, we're not financial or stock advisors. This is not stock or financial advice. Do your own due diligence. This is just a show.
Hey!
All right. And we just beautiful peoples.
Beautiful.
And you're beautiful too, peoples. The Indelible Pride is gorgeous. Gorgeous, I tell you.
Gorgeous.
Let's share it. We gotta get 700 people on the stream. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Share. Come on now. Let me know if you're sharing. Mention it in the comments. Yeah. That espresso ice. It's been kind of quiet, you know. Today is the Federal Reserve's meeting. They're having a meeting, Doubles. You know that, right? They're probably going to be talking about doing interest rate cuts today or tomorrow, something like that. You know, today or tomorrow, Doubles. And everybody kind of expects a 1/4 percentage point cut, maybe a 1/2 percentage cut, maybe, probably 1/4 percentage. So I think that's kind of built into the stock market already, the stock market. But everybody's like, waiting. So, Doubles. So it's like a little come see, come saw today, a little bit like that. Yeah, a little come see, come saw. Let's take a look at SMSI. SMSI ran a little bit earlier in the morning and has been selling off since they withdrew a shelf reg to dilute. So that's always a good thing when they withdraw that. But since the high of $1.08, which put it at about 109%. It has been selling off, and you can see as we zoom in the room that it is kind of barcoding, and you can see that it has a head and shoulders pattern right over here. So here's your head. There's your shoulder right there. There's a shoulder, and there's a shoulder right over there, and it has been selling off ever since pretty much, and it doesn't seem to be recovering, so it keeps on selling off. So, Meh. SMS, 9 million float, almost 10 million float. It's a sub-dollar stock now. It was briefly over $1. There was volume early in the morning, 25 million, but again, not a lot if you think about it. We got a ticker popping up on the scanner, VVPR. It was alerted to the Discord yesterday. It was alerted, currently up 61%, $3 stock. Vivo Pro announced strategic merger, heads of agreement with Fast at Pro forma combined equity value of $1.13 billion. This is at 8:30 in the morning. 8:30 in the morning. Float 2.8 million. Volume only 3.5 million. A bunch of top tails. You got to do better than that, no? I don't know. I mean, I don't know, Doubles. They got to do better than that, right?
Yeah,
I'm just saying. I'll put you on a side chart, but you don't look too healthy right now. You don't look healthy. Yeah, you need to get some vitamins, some vitamin V. Get some Valium. Valium, I tell you. Volume. All right. Let's go to SES. SES is a heavy stock, big float. But it had some news with NVIDIA. So, whenever you got the title with NVIDIA, that oftentimes makes the stock move. So, SES did, in fact, move this morning, even though it's got a very heavy float. How high did it go, DBL Moms? SES, how high did it go?
SES.
How high? How high did it go, Mama? Let us know. You didn't mark it down? I marked it down.
It's about
50-something? Yeah, something like that. Something, But here's the problem. It's got 134 million shares in the float. I mean, come on.
a lot of float.
Come on. You got to do something about that. You got to shed a couple of shares. You know what I'm saying? Go on the treadmill. Do something. Work out. It's good for your heart. Okay?
Yeah.
Your volume, 18 million. Your float, 134 million. What, are you kidding me? Come on now.
Yeah.
So SES comes out with AI collaborates with NVIDIA. Crusoe and Supermicro on AI for Science initiative to accelerate material discovery in electric transportation.
Yeah.
That's the news. But you got significant short activity at these two levels over here. It has formed a cup and handle, but I don't really feel terribly safe with this particular ticker because of the heaviness of the float and how close it is in any region where shorts will typically look to short it. And you can also see that it is being barcoded. So we don't like barcoding because that shows an indication of lack of liquidity, and the lovely little market makers come in and provide liquidity for you. They want to do that for you.
So
They want to do that for you. The market makers. Thank you, market makers. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm not interested, but thank you very much. Okay. No. BurgerFi. Let's go check out BurgerFi, baby.
Ooh.
BurgerFi is still independent. It's still independent. Maybe they'll go to the World Series. Who knows? But they're independent.
Ooh.
They're maintaining the support level of the bottom part of the pennant. That is good. We need them to break out of the resistance portion of the pennant, which is right over here.
Yeah.
But it needs some more volume, Doubles. It needs volume. So we'll keep you on the burner. Keep you cooking your burgers.
We wanted Five Guys burgers and fries.
We're gonna we are Five Guys kind of guys.
Yes, we are.
Five Guys burgers and fries. Yes, we are.
Yes.
Call us. All right, sponsorship.
Hit us up.
Hit us up.
Sponsor.
Otherwise, we're gonna talk to BurgerFi, and that's it. That's
Oh,
it. Oh,
That's it.
that's it.
BurgerFi,
All right,
hit us up.
whoever,
Hit us up.
BurgerFi, either one of you.
Whichever
Let's
one.
start a competition. Can you put the fan this way? It's a little misty in here. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Where are my green M&Ms? And
The
my
rose
white
petals.
rose petals. Where?
Where the rose
I'm not a
petals?
diva.
At
I'm
least
not.
At least you have the
I'm not a
espresso.
diva. I'm not.
Unless you have. At least
Not
you have
me.
Tierra
No.
Cubana. At least you
ALLR Doubles.
Yes.
ALLR had some cancer treatment news, blah, blah, blah. Daily retrospective in the house.
Good morning.
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? All right, so here's the story. ALLR had some, cancer treatment news, blah, 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 and now it formed a double top. Right over here is a top, right over there is a top. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated so the indelible pride can see exactly what we're talking about. Right over here is a top, right over here is another top, and that would be an indication of a bearish pattern. And of course, y'all all know, we don't like double tops.
We like double bottom.
And bottom tails, baby.
Yay.
Bottom tails. I'm
Bottom.
just saying. All right. So Daly says SMSI. Let's go check it out again. Let's check it out. Let's see what it does. Let's see. It withdrew. It withdrew its shelf registration. It ran up. It went over 100%, 109%. But right now it's bearish. Bearish. It's trying to curl. But it needs to really move up quite a bit. Let's go ahead and put another graffiti line right there. That is your resistance of the VWAP. VWAP, I would say. Yeah, VWAP, I would say. It really needs to get over that VWAP area, I would say, to recover from this head and shoulders pattern. So it needs to cook, baby. I'll put it on the side chart, Doubles. I'll put it on the side chart. It is the second leading gainer. Nothing is really super duper today. Nothing. You know what I mean? WHLR. Typo. Whoop, whoop. WHLR. Come on. What are you doing? Bearish. Doubles. It needs to break this downtrend. Folks, let's share the stream. Come on now. Let's get this thing cooking. Let's get a lot of people. I know nothing's moving yet. I get it. But it just takes one, baby. Woo!
Yay.
Woo! Praise be the Lord. Hallelujah. Yeah. All right. All right, so we're going to go and check out a different ticker, something that we haven't looked at before. Let's go and take a look. It's got to have a low float. How about NXL? NXL has a low float. It's not moving that much, but let's check it out. Yeah, it's not moving a lot. It's a 75-cent stock. NXL currently up 13%.
13%.
Float's only 7 million. Volume's only 2,700. There's your problem right there, Doubles. Right there. And there's no news, no news. But it deals with opioid treatment, blah, blah, blah. Man, it's up 13%. It doesn't really have any news. It doesn't really have a lot of volume. But, nothing's really moving, so we're just talking about things. That's it. That's all. VVPR seems to be moving a little bit. Let's check it out. Let's see what's going on. Nah, it's selling off. Look at all these top tails. We don't like top tails, folks.
We like the bottom.
It's got to be about the bottom tails. I love bottom tails. Bottom tails. The longer the better. I'm just saying. The longer the bottom tails are, the better. I love bottom tails. They're juicy. Juicy bottom tails. Yeah. Those are the best. All right. Listen, little bushy, but my little bushy friend, my little bushy-tailed friend. Do you see anything that might be I don't know. Might be schmaxy. Do you see anything? Anything that might be schmaxy? Anything? Anything at all? Nothing. Nothing at all. No, nothing. No, nothing really, right? Click that one. Let me see what's going on with that. Let me see what's going on with that. The espresso. You know what I miss? I miss cannolis. You know, the area don't really have too many cannolis.
Yeah.
The cannolis are good. They're creamy and juicy. Yeah. With an espresso, but I would prefer it like with a hot espresso. But it's too darn hot during the summer in Florida. You know, too hot. So like that. Daily goes GLMD. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. 321. I love LEP setup. Is that a ticker? Let's see. Is it? No, it's not a ticker. I don't know. The setup on which one? SMSI? Is that what you're talking about? Let's see. Are you seeing something I'm not seeing? What's going on over there? Well, I mean, if it could curl, it would be lovely, but it's still pulling back if that's what you're talking about. I'm not sure what 321 is talking about. But anywho, we will hopefully get a message from S321. Yeah. All right. So what else we got? SES pulling up a little bit. Heavy floated stock news with NVIDIA. NVIDIA news in the title. Forming a cup and handle. Not very trustworthy. Again, my major concerns are that it is right at the area where the shorts are potentially going to short it.
They're Speedos.
With their Speedos. You know, we call them the Banana Republic. Yes. The Banana Republic. So, let's go GLMD. GLMD. Still selling off. I don't know. Let's go to the 5 minute. 5 minute. Let's see if we see something. Now, it's selling off hard, yo. It's selling off really hard. GLMD. Tiny float, too. 421,000. It's a shame. It's such a shame with such a small float. Volume was pretty decent earlier, 4.4 million. They reported yesterday after hours that there was some insider buying. You know what I mean? Like that, you know? But, But BFI is moving, so let's go take a look at BFI. BurgerFi. It's pushing. It's pumping. 134%. The humanity of it. It broke through the bull pennant that we made. Woo-wee! Holy moly! And it's still going. It's pumping, folks. It's pushing. 142%. Holy moly! It broke out of the bull pennant. It is extended, folks, but it definitely pulled out of the bull pennant. Almost went up to 30 cents. Let's get a little bit of an alert over here. I don't even want an alert. I want a draw graffiti line right there. There's your resistance. Can you give me 30 cents? Can we get 30 cents? Can you reclaim that top wick? Let's go to the 1 minute, folks. Hello. Who drew a bull pennant for everybody? Who did that? I don't want to brag or nothing. And, I just want to say, hey, Hassan goes HCWC. Let's check it out. We'll check it out while BFI pulls back. Why not? How's it going, Hassan? Hold on. HCWC in the house. All right. It does not have a lot of volume. That's a problem. Let's see what it looks like on the 5 minute.
5 minute?
Yeah, it still doesn't have a lot of volume. It needs to break this general downtrend right here and have some volume. News could help, but it needs to break that downtrend. Otherwise, it's not really that attractive anymore. It ran a little bit earlier in the morning, quite a bit actually. In the morning, it ran 81%, but massive sell-off. Since then, attention seems to have been moved over to other tickers like BurgerFi. BoygaFi. Will it reclaim the top tail? This is the 5 minute chart doubles, And we got a top tail. It is extended on the 5-minute. It broke out of the bull pennant.
Bull pennant.
Oh, now will it go to the World Series? Can we get 200 on this? I don't know. It needs to pull back. Let's see what it looks like on the 1-minute doubles.
1 minute.
We're looking at it on the 1 minute, and it's trying to recover this top tail over here. Maybe we get a breakout. We'll keep an eye on it. The RSI is certainly in the overbought area, but there's some room for it to squeeze a little bit more, maybe. Could we get a squeezy?
Nice and easy.
Nice and easy. Could we squeeze the Banana Republic? Could we? Could we? Could we be squeezing the shorties? Could we do that? Could we please? Little squeezy.
Nice and easy.
Push a little bit more. I mean, it is a cheap stock, so it's going to be super choppy. But right now, it is certainly the leading gainer of the day. Yes, it is. James is in the house. What's up, James? AVGR was lit yesterday. Didn't get out soon enough, but did get perfect entry. Good. Did you make money? Did you make some money? AVGR. Didn't even realize I'm up $3 on BurgerFi. Let's go, baby. My pleasure, son. My pleasure. LOL, keep it pumping. Let's go. Yeah, baby. Yes, all right. Well, yesterday it was doing nice. AVGR did nice yesterday. Let's go back to BurgerFi. Burgers and fries. BurgerFi. See how that's a play? I just realized that's a play on burgers and fries. BurgerFi. Get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's also like Wi-Fi. You see, like it's like so 21st century. 21 century. 21 century. Century 21. Isn't that where all the gals go shopping? Century 21?
Isn't that like a real estate company?
It's a real estate company, but isn't Century 21? Isn't that also like a clothing?
That's a Forever.
Forever 21. Call me up, yo. Sponsorship. Century 21. You too, yo. It's stocks, but people do real estate too. They do real estate too. Sponsorship, yo. Come on, hook me up, yo. James goes, so hilarious because Weeble usually makes me buy 100 at a clip. No kidding. All right, so we are looking at BurgerFi. BurgerFi is currently the leading gainer. It's one of those cheapo stocks, but it's moving and it's grooving. I actually traded it earlier, made a little bit of money on it. It kind of scared me the way it was moving, so I sold on it. And I'm glad I sold on it because it did flush right after I sold on it, so I made money. But I got out quick. I'm like the Marines, the old in and out. Yeah, baby.
Old in and out.
Get them on the shore, do your business, and get them back on the ship. Espresso Ice. All right, folks, let's get this stream shared. Let's get over 200 people. Let's go for 200 peoples and then 300 peoples. Let's see if we can get 200% on BurgerFi. What else can we look at? Let me at him. Come on. I'm going to watch WeBuy, WBUY, WeBuy. Not enough volume on this one. It is kind of choppy. What's the story with WeBuy? WeBuy is up 14%. The float's heavy, 19 million. Volume's only 2.8 million, but the stock's only trading for 13 cents. So I forgive you for the slightly larger float. WeBuy Global gross profit jumped 253%. This was news at 8:16%, 8:16 in the morning. I got you on a side chart because you're one of those little cheapos. You know what I mean? So if you get some volume, you got some news. So you get some volume, maybe you could be schmexy like BurgerFi, BFI, baby. Let's get back to BurgerFi. James says the only reason I'll use Robinhood sometimes is because they don't make me buy 100 of a penny stock. I got you. I got Weeble on the side, and then obviously I got Think or Swim over here. You know how it goes like that. That's what I got. Let me at him. Come on. Is that a baby pennant over there, Doubles? Is that a baby pennant that might break out? Come on. Are we going to test the higher day? Come on now. Let me see what kind of volume this particular candle has. 670, 680,000. A lot of top tails, folks. But it broke out of the pennant, Doubles.
Yay.
And now, can we see it go to the World Series? Can we see it? Come on. It's still trending up, Doubles. Don't make me get the graffiti pencil out, because I will. Graffiti pencil, come on. form another pennant? Can you form another pennant for me? Can you stay above this trend line? Could you give me another run? Come on now. Come on. Don't make me make it a pennant. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. A baby pennant. Get up there. Get up there. Get legs. Come on. Doesn't have the volume. Doesn't have the volume. Come on, stay above the 9 EMA. This is the 9 EMA right here. We want to see the price action stay above the 9 EMA. It looks like this pennant broke down so far, but maybe it'll come back. Let's watch it for a moment. It is currently has a high. BurgerFi has currently a high of 142%. That was the high we had, right? 142% on BurgerFi. And of course, it is a super inexpensive stock at 28 cents right now, but it came up from about 13 cents over here when the news came out. The news is that BurgerFi International receives approval of first-day motions to support business operations. That news came out yesterday at 10:38 a.m. Float 13 million. The volume's 52 million. 52 million. So it's getting a lot of volume. So that's schmexy. And it's testing the higher day. It's pushing. It's pushing. It's pumping. It's pumping. 143%. Do we get a top tail? We don't want top tails. We want some bottom tails. You formed another pennant. Don't disappoint my indelible pride. Don't disappoint them because they are discerning. They want a bull pennant breakout. If you want a breakout, put the word break, baby, break, break. Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. Come on now. Put it in the chat. Come on. Let's share that stream. We got 197 people watching. Let's get it up to 300. 300. Come on now. Share the stream. Share it. Share it because we're going to get another breakout. Come on. I feel it in my blood. It might be high blood pressure, but I feel it in my blood anyway. It might be. It might be. Oh, come on now. Come on now. Hold that bottom line. Come on. Hold it. Hold it. Let's zoom in, doubles. You know, when I zoom in, that's an important thing. When we zoom in, it's like a family thing. Like that. Come on, push it, push it, push it. Come on, stay on above that trend line. Young stock, BFI, BurgerFi. Come on, a lot of top tails. Very, very concerning about that. It is extended doubles. It is extended. Let's see what it looks like on the 5-minute doubles. Let's take a look at it on the 5-minute. All right, doubles. I'm looking at it on the 5-minute doubles. I'm going to do a zoom in the room right now. A lot of top tails. A lot of top tails. Huh. It better break, James, right? I'm telling you. If it doesn't break, I'm sending James after you, BurgerFi. And I won't buy a burger from you, especially since you're like thousands of miles away from where I'm at. I don't think there's a BurgerFi near here.
No, there's a BurgerFi like about an hour.
Is it?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, we almost went there.
BurgerFi?
Yeah, on one of our trips.
Yeah, but you know what?
Not as good as Five Guys.
Five Guys, man. I'm just saying.
They make the burgers different.
They do. They do make it different. Daily retrospective. Speaking of baseball World Series, I was talking to my boys, explained what a grand slam is. Then that one came to mind. Kirk, K-I-R-K. Is that the stock? I think that's a stock,
Grand
isn't
Slam.
it?
Oh, you mean the Denny's? Denny's Grand Slam. Oh, that's the good stuff.
Oh, the Grand Slam. Oh, from Denny's. Oh, yeah. Denny's. Watch the cones. Watch the cones. Inside joke. Inside joke. All right, let's see what's going on here. Let's put it back to the 1-minute doubles. Let's see if BurgerFi can give us a breakout. It looks like it's breaking down. Look, it's not done yet. It's not done yet. Gibson. What's Gibson? What is that, Daly? What is Gibson? What is that? Is that another place? Another eating establishment? Is that another place?
Maybe a baseball player. I don't know.
Oh, the baseball player? Could that be it? I don't know. I don't know what that is. We're at 200 viewers. Let's get it to 300, folks. Can we share? Let's go to 300. I bet you if we get the viewership to 300, this breaks out. I have a feeling. Come on. I'm in the feeling. It's kind of boring me, though. I got to tell you, it's like taking its sweet time. All right, it's testing the top level again. Daily Retrospective said, yeah, as to it's a baseball player, or yeah, as it's to a place to go eat. Which one? Which one? Whoa. All right. Top tail over here. It is trying its darndest to maintain support on this bottom line, and it's now testing the higher day. Come on. Come on now. I'm not leaving because I know you're going to push through. Come on. Baseball. All right, it pushed. 147%. Folks, we got to break out 150. 150. Share the stream. Let's get to 300 people. Ladies and gentlemen. 151%. Are we going to get 200? Do y'all think we're going to get 200% on BFI? If you think so, put 200% in the chat, folks. It needs to hold this level now that it broke through. Let's see what it looks like on the 5-minute doubles. It's super extended on the 1 minute. And it's super extended on the 5-minute. But you know what? It looks like it wants to reclaim that little itsy bitsy wick on the top. So let's see what happens. Come on now. Let's do a squeezy. Nice and easy, 156%. Folks, let's take care of the Banana Republic forever. Let's go. Squeezy. Nice and easy, 157%. 157%, folks. 158. 159. Can I get 169? Put the chancleta away, mama. Put it down. Put it down, top tail. 200% is what we're looking for, James. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We got a squeezy, nice and easy. It's up to 31 cents. 31 cents. Come on. Push it, baby. Push it. You got to push it. We push it real good. Who's that? That's Salt and Pepper. Push it real good. Dun, 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 dun. That top candle on the 15-second, pretty scary. I know it's extended, bro. Look at this. I mean, I zoomed into it, but if I don't zoom into it, look at this 5-minute chart. I mean, the price just went straight up. You got to love these sub-dollar stocks. They're crazy. It is the leading gainer right now. And, of course, it needs to get over $1. I'm pretty sure it needs to get over $1 doubles, right? It's got to get over $1 to be in compliance. So that's a long ways off. 69. James says, yo, I can't say nothing, James. I can't say nothing. She's got double chancletas, man. Yo, she's a fast draw with the chancletas. I'm just saying. She scares me. Holy moly.
You won't get him in trouble.
Holy moly. But I feel your pain. I'm just saying. I'm kidding, Mama. I'm kidding with you. I'm just a joker. Holy moly. You know what's curling right now? A little bit curling. SMSI curling a little bit. We gotta go check it out. You know, it's like going to the movies. SMSI. All right, what's going on? It broke a little bit of the downtrend, but it's still not healthy enough. It's got to go a little bit higher. We need to see it break the VWAP. BurgerFi. All right, and there goes that top tail. Okay, all right. I mean, you gave us a lot. Thank you, BurgerFi. We wanted 200, but you didn't give me 200. You gave me 159%. It's okay. Catch your breath. Maybe we'll come back and check you out. Daily Retrospective Percolator. Did y'all look up that song, 80s? I didn't have a chance. I got to check it out. I got hooked. I think we talked about it. I got hooked on this guy, Teddy Swim.
Yeah.
Man, that dude, though. The door. Yeah, Teddy Swim, the door. Check out this song. Check out the dance version of it. It's called The Door. Teddy Swim, SWIM. Is he like a country singer or something like that? You know, he's got like that raspy thing going on, you know. He just seems like he's a chill mofo. Chill.
He was singing in a bar.
Yeah, he's singing in a bar, yeah.
He was chilling with a pipe, just singing in a bar. Bro seemed chilling.
Daily Retrospective are digging in on VWAP, SES. The only issue with SES is that it has such a heavy float, man. And my other problem with it, this is my other problem right here. These areas right here, $1.39, $1.44, major areas of shorting. Now, if it had a lower float, I would trust this cup and handle. But it has a heavy float. And it's underneath this area right here, and it's underneath VWAP. So I can't trust it because the float's so massive. 134 million shares, and it's got news. You know, they got their news about, partnership with NVIDIA. Everybody's got a partnership with NVIDIA. Sure,
Yay.
sure, because it's going up like crazy. Sure, partnership with NVIDIA. Yeah,
Yay.
But your float is 134 million. You think I don't know?
Man.
SCS, you think I don't know? Come on, man.
No.
Come on. Look at this top tail over here. Look at this top tail over here. You need to break these levels for me to trust you and really hold it. Yeah, you broke over here, and then what happened? What happened? You flushed. You flushed, okay? You need your vitamin V. I tell you, before you go outside, you put the scarf around the throat. You're going to catch a cold. You don't listen to me. Never. All right. Cup and handle, but you're below key levels where shorts would be hanging out, and you got a heavy float, and you're below VWAP, so side chart, right, Doubles? Side chart. We got a VWAP test on SMSI. VWAP test, it's tickling the bottom of VWAP, folks. Uh-oh. We got a break of that downtrend. We had that head and shoulders bear pattern. The price action went down, but now it seems to be breaking. Can we get a bull reversal? Could we get a, how should I put it, Doubles? Can we get a descending wedge bull reversal? Could we get that? Could we get a little bit of that? Could we get something like this? How about something like that? Could we get that? A little bull reversal on a descending wedge? Could you break through the VWAP? Could you do that for me? You withdrew your public offering yesterday. Very nice, very nice. You're currently up 74%. Yes, very nice, very nice. You were up 109% earlier in the morning. You float a little bit thick, but not crazy. 9.9 million, not crazy. Your volume's too low, 27 million. So why don't we get the volume up a little? Could we do that at SMSI? Can we do that? Can we do that? Could we have a little bit more volume on you? Could you pierce the VWAP? Could you take care of my folks? Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. We'll come back to you. We'll come back to you. What happened to BurgerFi? Did it completely sell off? Is it going to come back? Let's see. Let's see what's going on. BurgerFi super extended on the 5-minute chart. Pulls back down to this level. Again, key level of resistance. Key level of resistance 29 cents, 29 and a half cents. Let's see what it looks like on the 1 minute. RSI is pulling downward. Volume is pulling downward. This looks bearish, folks. Looks bearish. Looks like it could potentially be pulling back down to the VWAP. We'll put you on a side chart, BurgerFi. BurgerFi, we'll put you on a side chart. You know what I mean? Put you on a side chart. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on you. We're going to keep an eye on you. Close eye. Do we have any other tickers moving in? Anything new, DBL Moms? Anything new? How about snow? I don't want snow. I don't like snow. But SNOA? Maybe. It popped and dropped. Nah, get out of here. Get out of town. GLMD. Doubles. GLMD. Continuing its downtrend. No. We don't like downtrends. We like uptrends, baby. Uptown boy. VVPR. Let's check it out here. Oh, no. Get out of town. No, not interested. How about we have a talk with talk? TALK. A talk with talk. Oh, you're curling up. Let's take a look at your float. What's your float? Oh, no. Your float.
Very high.
Your float's 131 million. What's going on here? You're up 22%. Okay, but you got a heavy float. Talkspace jumps 9%. Will provide mental health care to Amazon Health Services. That was 8:38 in the morning, but your float's too heavy. Too many stocks with heavy floats. Come on, man. Come on. You know I don't like heavy float stocks. Come on. Let's go back to SMSI. SMSI. Still tickling the bottom of VWAP, Doubles.
Yay.
Do we have a bull pennant? Oh, I'm sorry, not a bull pennant, but a descending wedge bull reversal forming. Do we have that? SMSI moving up to the east side. Yeah, it's curling. It's like the Jeffersons. Moving on up. Yeah, ALLR. It had its moment in the sun early in the morning. And now it's just selling off. It's done. It's cooked. Stick a fork in it. It's done. Ay, 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 ay. Up only 7% now. I don't even want to talk about it. DBL moms, I'm upset. I'm upsetty spaghetti. I'm upsetty. I'm upset. I'm upset. I'm upset. WHLR. WHLR was moving earlier in the morning. It has broken through the downtrend, but it is quite below VWAP, which is around $9.87. So we'll check it out. We'll check it out. We got some levels already drawn. So this is support. We got resistance right around the VWAP, which is right over here. Let's go ahead and draw a line right there. Let's draw a line right where the VWAP is. Doubles right there.
Yay.
Boom. Chakalaka. Boom. All right. So we got this on a back burner. We're watching it. I got it on a side chart. We're checking it out. We're checking it out. We got consolidation with WeBuy. This is another low price stock consolidating. I mean, I'm going to get a graffiti pencil out just because, but you know, nobody's paying attention to it right now. Nobody's paying attention to it, and it is forming a little bit of a pennant, but it's below VWAP, so it needs volume. Doubles. It just needs volume, man. It needs volume. You know what I mean? It needs volume right here. We got a pennant. You know, you got VWAP right over there. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated, folks. We're activating it. Indelible Pride. Here we go for you. Boom. 137.137 is a key level of resistance. We need to see a curlage up to it and the breakthrough. It is a cheapo stock. We buy 13 cents. Global HY gross profit jumps 253% to 2.6 million. Stock rises. This was at 8:16 in the morning. And it popped and it dropped. The float is on the heavy side again, but it is a super cheap stock. Float 19 million, but the issue is there's less than 3 million in volume. So there's the problem right there. Very similar to BurgerFi, but BurgerFi is a lot more healthier because it's got the volume, I tell you. The volume. Yes, BurgerFi has volume doubles. Let's go to the 1 minute doubles.
1 minute?
1 minute, and we could see that the RSI is starting to curl back up a bit, but the volume candles are still low. They're still low. This could be the beginning of a head and shoulders. Head, shoulder, and shoulder. But if it gets enough volume, maybe it can pierce through all these resistance cell levels, and we could have a second shot at a run up to the 200% mark, which is what I'd love to see. I would love to see that. I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm just saying I'd love to see it. Not financial or stock advice, folks. We're just having a conversation over espresso ice, which, by the way, means it's time for espresso ice. Yeah, baby. Oh, my goodness. That's so good. That is so good. Who loves espresso ice? Come on, put it in the chat if you like espresso ice. Who likes iced tea? I like iced tea with lemon, but not in the morning. I like it for lunch. Lunch. Iced tea with lemon. Extra lemon. I don't even need sweetener if you put the lemon in it.
I just have my.
You know, I actually like Lipton. I like Lipton iced tea. You know, like I make my own Lipton iced. I like that. Yeah, Lipton, call me. Sponsorship. Yo, hit me up. Have your people call my people. Let's go. Let's see what else we got. Let me at them, doubles. Let me at them. DBL moms, let me at them. What do we got here? Let's go check out SMSI. What is it doing? It broke through VWAP for a hot minute. Look at that. You little sneak you. And then you came back down. All right, we're going to keep an eye on this one here. See what happens with it. WHLR is also curling. So there's a bunch of tickers that are curling. They're curling. This one's sub VWAP, though. So this one's got more necessity of volume, if you will. Right. So, let's go back to BurgerFi, see what it's doing. Looks quite bearish. Let's clear some of the chart action that we have over here. Let's go ahead and get the finger, this pointer over here. The finger. Let's give it the finger so we can clean it up. There we go. Right there. All right, so that's what we got. So it looks like a head and shoulders doubles. You see, you got a shoulder over there, a head over there, and a shoulder over there. You see what I'm saying? And this looks like it's becoming bearish over here. So that would be a problem because that could suggest a flusheroon. And we don't like flusheroons, you know? No. We don't like that. But that's what it looks like, folks. It looks like we got a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder over here. You see this a shoulder right here? That's what it looks like, and we don't like that. And it is certainly, if I zoom in, it is certainly extended like a Dickens. Yes. James said that his friend bought blooms at the recent high. Oh no. Viviana's in the house. What's up, Viviana?
Hello,
Good morning.
Viviana.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Never told someone to sell a stock so many times. Your friend didn't listen to you. Your friend fell in love with the stock. It had news, probably, huh? And then it cheated on him. Blooms, let's check it out. Oh, no. Come on. No. Look at this. Look at the sell-off. I mean, there's some consolidation. But why would you do this when you have tickers that went up like this? Look at BurgerFi. Look at what it did. Look at that. BurgerFi or Blooms? Come on. Which one? Come on. This one goes down, and BurgerFi goes up, down. I like up, down. Uptown girl.
Yay.
Da uptown stock. Da stock uptown. They are my favorite stocks in the world. He was in at the last $3 pop. Ooh, yikes. Ouch. I hate when that happens. Anywho, BurgerFi is selling off on this head and shoulders pattern. So, yeah, you ran up 159%. I appreciate it, but what have you done for me lately?
What have you done for me lately?
Is there anything new? Is there anything new and schmexy? Can I have something new? Can I have a witness? Dangerous. Come on. DBL, stop tickling your pops, man. I don't like that. I don't like WHLR. Moving.
WHLR.
Coming up to VWAP. WHLR. The radio station that plays no music because it's not a radio station. But it's tickling VWAP doubles. We got a little ticklage going on. A little bit of a cup maybe. Can we have a handle? Let's take a look at it on the 1 minute.
1 minute.
Let's see what's going on over here. WHLR, 275,000 float. I like that. I like the low float. Volume, 2.4 million. Currently up 31%. This stock ran. It ran with no news way back when, and then the news came out, and it ran again the next day. Yeah. That's what happened. And it used to have a 250,000 float. Now it's 275. Still very low, doubles. What's going on here? Leading the way in Monday trading based on percentage gain. That was yesterday's news. Not really any news on it. It's getting some resistance at the VWAP. We'll come back to you. Let's see what else is going on. Let's see.
James just said AVGR after your call yesterday said this can't go down. Went straight up. It was like one big bullish engulfing.
Yeah.
That's what he said.
Yeah. Facts, James. Facts. Yeah. All right. I'm getting bored here. I need something better. Anybody got something for me?
Better.
Come on now. Let's see. Is this, I want to check out a China stock. CPHI. China. No volume. Forget about China. No. BFI seems to be trying to curl back up. Let's see what's going on with BFI. BFI is still the leading gainer. It is still under the spell of this ugly head and shoulders pattern. We need to see a break of 29.5, 30 cents for it to become Shemexy. Folks, we're about 17 people away from 300. Yay. Let's get that sharing train going down. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. And I promise to stop singing if you give me 300 followers right now. Not followers, they're just the viewers, right? But if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel and do what this young man says, please.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And remember to share.
Yeah, let's share. And also follow us on X, a.k.a. Twitter, at Coach Nick Money, baby.
Coach Nick Money.
Let's go. Instagram, at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
Facebook, at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
TikTok, at DBL Nicks.
At DBL Nicks.
With the screen name At Coach Nick Money.
Yeah, Coach Nick Money.
Did I leave something out? I don't think so.
Instagram?
I said Instagram. I said Insta. I said Facebook. Twitch at
Twitch.
Coach Nick
Coach
Money.
Nick Money.
Let's go, baby. And of course, we got the special so that you guys can watch us stream live in the Discord. We're a lot more serious in the Discord. Let me give you a little bit of a flavor of what it's like in the Discord. There's a link in the description and in the pinned comment to take a 4-day trial at $1.99, and then it's $49.99 thereafter. Let's look at BurgerFi, and I'm going to show you what we do, a slight sample of what we do in the Discord, so you got a flavor. First of all, you get all the alerts for the stocks that we're watching, and you get it early. Super early. Okay, so what do we do? It's something like this. We'll take a look at BurgerFi. We're looking at the 1-minute chart on BurgerFi. You can clearly see that there's a head and shoulders pattern that has been formed over here. Here's your shoulder, here's your head, here's your shoulder. You did have a sell-off. It's now trying to curl back up. It's trying to form a double bottom, but there's not a lot of volume in this particular pattern, so I don't really trust it. And we're looking to see if we can see the 9 EMA curl upward, but we don't have that verification happening. What we do have is a red candle with a top tail suggesting that the price action is going to continue to keep dropping. So we'll keep an eye on it. Let's see what it looks like on the 5-minute. If we look at the 5-minute chart, we're going to see whether or not there's any kind of confluence with that bearish pattern. And in fact, we do have a confluence between the 1-minute and the 5-minute. We clearly can see that there's a red doji candle formed with a really large bottom wick and a top wick. So there's a lot of indecisiveness going on, and we can see even on the 5-minute chart that the RSI is in the overbought region and volume has been dropping. The stock is super extended. It is a sub-dollar stock. It started off at around 13 cents, so it's going to be extremely volatile. So that's a flavor of when I want to get serious. Now let's get back to some fun. Let's share the stream, folks. Let's go, baby. Let's go. BurgerFi, I will check you out later. Thank you very much for the memories, but it's time for something else for now. For the time being, I'm going to look at Hoth. H-O-T-H. I don't trust this stock because this stock always flushes. It always flushes. But we'll take a look at it. Not interesting. Not interesting at all. Let's go back to SMSI real quick. SMSI, see what's going on with that. It has formed a descending wedge bull reversal, but I don't see enough volume. James says was flushing to 17 before the last pump. I think you're talking about BurgerFi, right? BurgerFi, 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 BurgerFi. Look at that. Yeah, it was coming down. It was. We got the support lines over here. Folks, we're going to wrap up the stream. Ladies and gentlemen, make a lot of money because I am Coach Nick Money, and I'm with my compatriot who has a degree in Bangernomics.
From Big Bang College.
DBL Nicks.
In the house.
A.K.A.
The Rainmaker.
The Rainmaker. And the secret weapon, the one, the only, the bushy-tailed Serengeti specialist, always in the weeds trying to ensnarl the next stonk for the indelible pride. That's you folks, by the way. DBL Moms! Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, can you subscribe to the YouTube channel and do what this young man says, please?
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And remember to share.
Because sharing is caring, folks. Sharing is caring. Okay, we're going to go to the Discord pretty soon. The link is in the description for you to join us. $1.99 for 4 days trial. And $49.99 thereafter. It's in the pinned comment and in the description. Go ahead and check that out. If you're not following us on x.com, a.k.a. Twitter, it's at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
And on Twitch, it's at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
And on Facebook, at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
And Instagram, at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
And, of course, on TikTok, it's at DBL Nicks.
DBL Nicks.
DBL-N-I-C-K-S. Let's go, baby. Much love. Make a lot of money.
Be greenable.
Be greenable.